It's me, T-Rail. Guess what, man? Jerky links. Goddamn. Jack links. Jerky Chew original, right? Right there. 1, 2, 3. 3 cans. I can get them cans for $1 a piece. Y'all want an original Jerky Chew for $1? Just go to Family Dollar and you can get it for $1. Go to convenience store, you might pay almost $3 for this thing. Go to Family Dollar, man. Get you one for $1. Jack Links, Jerky Chew, man, for $1. Yeehaw. My name's T-Rail. Get you one. Peace. Spin them American flag mud jug. Get you one in. Rubber flag flask mud jug. Get you one of these two, mudjug.com. Yeehaw. Peace. Yum yum.